Hello YouTube, welcome to another video by the Geo Scholar. This video is going to be about Hurricane Irma. For that reason I decided to do this video outside. I am on the western outskirts of metropolitan Atlanta and, well, it's raining. Tropical Storm Irma has come up this way, and I say Tropical Storm Irma because that is what it's been downgraded to. Hurricane Irma, well, it was Hurricane Irma when it made landfall in Florida. Hurricane Harvey and Hurricane Irma make up the first time when back-to-back Category 4 hurricanes made landfall in the United States of America. It has come up here to the state of Georgia. One thing to consider, there have been power outages. I have been to one of the stores. There's been a lot of bread that's been taken out of the aisles. And it's very important to understand, the impact of weather that it can have on people. The schools have been closed. You've had businesses, some people work remotely from home because the hurricane has come in. It's a tropical storm now. The reason it's been downgraded to a tropical storm, you have to understand what gives a hurricane its power. Warm water. Warm water that was feeding the fuel that a hurricane needs in the Gulf of Mexico. Now it's become Tropical Storm Irma when it's made its reach here in Georgia. Granted, there's still been a lot of effects. There have still been a lot of damage, some power outages, especially down in South Georgia. It's really important to understand. When you have certain weather events, you have to think about the impact it's going to have on people. And then you have to consider this. There are so many different paths that Hurricane Irma was projected to make. At one point it was thought that it was not going to make landfall anywhere at all in the United States. And it's not only happened, it's come all the way up here to Georgia. That lets you know that predicting the path that a hurricane will take, you never know what you're going to get. And that shows you geography is dynamic. Weather is dynamic. So much that goes on this earth is dynamic. And that is something that needs to be understood. And that is why you learn geography. That is why you learn about things like this, so that you can understand how dynamic the earth is. Anything can happen. And currently, right now, one thing you must consider is that the spawning of tornadoes. There have already been tornado warnings down in Florida. Tornadoes have been spawned by hurricanes before, so that is something you need to consider. That is why it is so important, and that is why I'm so passionate about it. If you like this video, check out my other videos on my channel. Be safe, everybody. Anyone who's in the path of this hurricane, I hope you're safe. I hope that you can get everything back together again, clean up. I hope you learned something from this video. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe.